In the ancestral dark, a nervous system wired to detect predators kept early humans alive through sleepless nights of hypervigilance. That's not anxiety, not really. That is your nervous system scanning for lions in your text thread, because 10,000 years ago, a rustle in the grass meant stay still or die, and now your phone buzzes the same way. The glitch is simple, and nobody tells you this. Your brain still treats your phone like a pride of lions. That freeze response, perfect calibration to a threat that stopped existing millennia ago, it isn't broken. It isn't you being dramatic. Your ancient wiring just got stuck on a map that doesn't exist anymore. Every time you dodge that false alarm, you leave residue behind. Not metaphor. Actual neurochemical sludge coating your prefrontal cortex like rust in old pipes. Your motivation thickens, turns to syrup. Each avoided feeling, each postponed conversation layers the gunk. Suddenly, I'm fine, tastes like ash because your machinery's clogged with everything you never processed. The fix isn't more lists, not another app reminder, not forcing through the panic. 5 minutes of intentional nothing. Phone down. Step outside. Breathe without an agenda. That's when your prefrontal cortex finally disengages from limbic system survival scanning. The overthinking quiets. The sludge settles. The freeze reflex isn't your enemy. It's a sensor that went rogue on an outdated map. When your body tenses, don't fight it. Use it as your cue to pause. Not to freeze forever, but to hit the reset button. Those 5 minutes aren't about solving anything. They're about flushing the contamination so you can engage with clean pipes again. The reflex becomes your ally, not your jailer. Once you know how.